The city of Campo Grande is located in Midle West of Brazil, a region dominated by Cerrado. Cerrado is a savanna-like environment characterized by crooked, thick-barked trees and many bushes. The vegetation is able to resist the annual dry season, which occurs for 4 to 5 months over the winter. Located within the city is the main campus of the Federal University of Mato Grosso do Sul. The campus typifies many aspects of Midle West Brazil. Contained within a private natural reserve, you can find vegetal formations like savanna, gallery forests and swampy areas. Most impressive of all, perhaps, is Lago do Amor, the Lake of Love. The Lake of Love is not a natural ecosystem, but a production of human intervention created by the building of a dike. Over the dike itself runs a main street linking several neighborhoods. The dike was built across two streams, Cabaça to the north and Bandeira to the south. Between the two streams lies an area of high ground on which stands the Morenão soccer stadium. In the place where the dike to dam the Lake of Love was built, there used to be a vereda, typifying the swampy areas of confluence of the streams Cabaça and Bandeira. The building of the dike across the two streams triggered significant environmental changes. Other plants appeared, an aquatic fauna arose, and humidity increased. Many species of birds and mammals seek shelters in the banks, especially in the year's driest season. These changes involving the whole ecosystem are called ecological succession. In the case of the Lake of Love, the transformations were triggered by human intervention.
Ecological succession is a process in which the organisms, a community of living organisms involving plants and animals, take over a certain environment. There is a sequence, an order for these plants, for these animals to occupy the environment. This sequence is, in fact, the ecological succession. This region used to be a vereda, an area with a vereda, with a gallery forest, and then a dike was built. From then on, a modified man-made ecosystem has been created. An environment of running water was turned into a lake ecosystem. With the environmental changes, with the transformation of this place into a still water environment, the plants that used to exist here died. For example, you can see, there is a dead tree over there. Why? The environment became completely flooded and the plants that used to grow in this place, in an environment that was once dry, or that used to have seasonal floods, have been replaced. Now, what we have is still water, which attracts algae, then the water plants, then fish that used to be running water fish, and now what we have is still water fish. So, there has been the replacement of the communities that used to take over the environment for a new community. This process is also an example of ecological succession that is converging into another kind of environment.
The ecological succession of the Lake of Love is still on. Some time ago, there was a dramatic spread of pond lilies, an aquatic plant which had to be removed because they were suffocating the aquatic life. The accumulation of sediments brought in by the streams may turn a lake into a swamp. Today, the Lake of Love is a leisure site. People from the neighboring areas visit it daily. But the Lake of Love is also a remarkable living laboratory with a process of ecological succession still underway, offering great sightseeing to students, passers-by, and nature lovers.
Translated by Regina Célia Vieira. Narrated by Regina Célia Vieira and José Osvaldo Sampaio Bueno.